This is Mary Slominski.
Hello.
Tami Utley.
Yay.
And they're going to be making the Groom's cake, and it's tarot fool, Jester oriented, because that's Ken's interest. So he's
Especially the fool part.
He's my fool.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That's good.
So
That's good.
hopefully you heard it this time. So
Yes, that's good.
take it away.
Here they are. Thanks. See you guys.
Okay, so with that in mind, we'll get Cindy out of here because she doesn't want to hear what's going on. Go away. She wants it to be a surprise. Okay, what I've got Mary doing is I've first of all, I taught her how to use a pasta machine, which as you can see is really easy.
It is.
Very easy.
It's very easy.
And it's much easier than rolling it out. Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And you make sure it's even the whole time, so that's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. And what's going on is these are the pieces that are going around to be the Jester's collar. He has little triangle pieces that have bells that hang off it, kind of like an elf, only it's not. So I'm going to show you how to make this pattern. I made a pattern. I have a 10-inch cake. Okay. So what I did is I took my 10-inch cake and I used my cake pan, and I drew around my cake pan. I just taped two pieces of paper together to make my 10-inch, and then I folded it in half. And what you got to do is you got to fold it so you can see the light coming through it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I can see the light of the lines coming through so that they match up. So it's actually exactly in half. Get this stuff out of the way. Okay. All right. And of course it's fighting with me, but I can see. This is what happens when you don't have if you got a piece of paper big enough, boy, that's what you want to do. But oh well, you work with what you got. Most of us don't have really big pieces of paper at home. Okay, so I folded that in half, and then I folded it in quarters. So again, I want to see the lines, and it's nice if you've got a window. You can see the lines line up, I think. Where are they? I'm not sure if I've got that lined up exactly, but it looks pretty close. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to fold this in thirds because I want to get 12. I tried it with folding this in half, and they were too big, and so I decided to fold it into thirds. So I'm going to end up with 12 diamonds that go around. So it's kind of tough with all this paper. I'm just going to cut just this part off here because I don't need it. Okay. So to fold it in thirds, you're going to fold this and then like an accordion, okay? So see what I did? I came over and then back like that. And you want to keep the point. So fold over and back. Can you guys see okay? Probably not. You can stand up if you want. Okay. Okay, so like so. So what that did is that gave me, I do a lot of Lambeth cakes, and you do a lot of pattern making with Lambeth, so we do a lot of this kind of stuff. Okay, so I didn't do this one as exact as I did my other ones, but it's close enough. So there we go, 12 pieces is what I should end up with. And then what I figured is this line right here is the edge of the cake, so I want to decide how far over do I want my little collar to hang over the 10-inch cake. So, I figured, I don't know, about that long. So I'm going to cut my diamond back. This is the edge, so I want it to be a diamond before. Because I want it to be a perfect diamond, like so, I'm going to fold it in half again. So this is what the shape is going to be. And then because I want it symmetrical, I'm going to fold it in half again. So let's think which side I cut. I'm going to cut this side.